Welcome class to Sociology 101, Introduction to Sociology. I'll be your instructor and lecturer for this course for the remainder of the semester. My name is David Greif. You can refer to me as David in your emails. That was much easier to say than my last name, and I don't expect you to get it right. No one ever does. So give you a little bit about myself. Like some of you, I bounced around in college until I found my footing. I started off in aerospace engineering at Cal Poly Pomona and eventually transferred over to accounting. Life happened and I took a little break from college, but ultimately finished my degree in accounting. Took that and went to work in the retail sector for about 20-something years. Retired a couple years ago and sought out my master's in sociology, which I achieved from ASU. And I did that online like many of you are about to do with this course. Taking your classes online is fun, it's exciting. It's a little bit hard to be interactive in a group setting or a class setting as a traditional face-to-face. So these videos hopefully will help bring you a little closer to me. A little bit more about myself. So I am married. I have 5 kids and 2 grandchildren. I came from a military family background, so I moved around a lot. Lived in New York, Illinois, Virginia, Michigan, California, Arizona, and then back and forth a couple times until I finally settled here in Yuma, Arizona. So I look forward to hearing all about you when you do your introductory discussion post. If you'd like to include a video, that would be fantastic. And also let me know how you want to be referred to, whether it's a nickname, a short name, your full official name, whatever makes you comfortable. I'll be happy to acknowledge you in that way. So please make it clear in your video or your discussion post. And I look forward to working with you over the next 16 weeks as we learn about sociology. Thank you.